Welcome back, future medicos. This is not good news for those candidates, both from Tamil Nadu and candidates outside, those who are mainly waiting for the management quota counseling round 1 in Tamil Nadu. So earlier I have told you that the earliest possible date is 11th December, but now it's very clear that it's not going to even start on 11th December. So those who are waiting for management quota versus deemed universities might find even further difficult because the mop-up round for deemed universities is going to start on 10th December. So now you have no choice. You need to lock the deemed universities. You may have to go and try deemed universities because I don't think the management quota counseling is going to start before 14 December. So 14 December is the last date in deemed universities to log the choices. So I don't think you have any choice. You need to go with deemed universities if you really want an MBBS seat, an assured seat. And for those who are waiting for CMC Vellore, unfortunately, there is further delay. Now, why I am saying this? Today, Tamil Nadu Selection Committee has released another schedule, that is the follow-up schedule. Right now, the counseling is ongoing for government quota, and we have a schedule until 10th December. And now today, the selection committee has released a further schedule until 14th December. That is 11th December, 12th December, and 14th December. With 13th December being a Sunday, they are not conducting any counseling. So they have released a schedule until 14th December, and these 3 days, the counseling is happening only for government quota, only for Tamil Nadu residents, and that too particularly for these communities only, that is scheduled castes, Arundadiyar, and scheduled tribes. So only these 3 categories will be attending the counseling on these 3 days, that is for government quota. So for management quota, the counseling is not going to happen until 14 December. Will it start on 15 December? I'm not sure. There is a likelihood that it may start on 15 December, but we need to wait for the notification from the selection committee. Right now, for your planning, for particularly those from other states, you can plan something after 14 December. It's not going to happen this week. So probably we may have the schedule sometime next week. Okay. Thank you very much. If you have any further questions, leave your questions in the comments. I will try to address them. Thank you. Bye-bye.